Welcome to this presentation on choosing and ordering genomic tests. My name is Darren Todd. I am the geneticist for the Holstein UK group. A reminder on which animals you should be genomic testing: young calves, those for which we know least about the genomic merit, both heifers, which you should consider keeping as replacements, and potential bulls to be kept as stock bulls or AI bulls can be considered. In terms of dairy breeds that you can order through CIS, Holstein, Friesian, Ayrshire and Jersey are available. And it is recommended that they be a minimum 75% purebred. Basically, the sire and the dam sire should be of the same breed. There are 3 genomic tests available. The main test is the HD female GPLI. It has 100,000 SNPs. This is suitable for any registered Holstein, Friesian, Jersey and Ayrshire female, and it results in a full UK genomic evaluation. There's a discount for bulk orders for that test. So that's the core test, and that's suitable really for dairy females in that group. Some breeders may also be interested in obtaining a GTPI, which is a North American genomic result. We also offer that, and that gets you the official Holstein USA GTPI, and alongside that, the animal will also get the UK evaluation. That test really should be used only for international marketing purposes if you're considering selling your animal in Europe or further abroad. For males, there is an equivalent male unofficial GPLI test. This is for any registered Holstein, Friesian or Jersey bull of any age. And this particular one, the results are available only to the owner. So the owner may use the results to sell the bull, but at this stage you can't sell semen from the bull using the result. In terms of ordering a genomic test, there are various options. You can order online through your herd. You can order through the NBDC Genomic portal, and you can also order at the time of pedigree registration through WebReg and TelReg. This is a look at the Your Herd genomic option. This is the menu screen which you'll be taken to, and from here you'll be able to access the genomic testing screen on the right. You'll then be taken to the Select Animal screen, and this is where you can select individual animals to be genomic tested. You will note that some of the animals on the screen have the HD GPLI already ticked, and you'll see also that you can also choose some additional genetic tests to be done at the same time, for example, coat color, A2, polled, etc. Once you've decided which animals you want a genomic test, you will be shown a summary screen within CIS, and this shows you the summary of the animals, traits and costs before you process your order. You can also order through the NBDC Genomic portal, and this is a view of the ordering test screen within that portal, and it's reasonably self-explanatory as to how to process your tests through there. Once you've ordered the test, you will be sent a DNA kit and a set of instructions on how to take the sample. You need to take either a hair or a tissue sample. You'll see 2 pictures in this slide. One on the left is a hair sample correctly taken and stuck on the hair card. You can trim excess hair from the sides just to keep it neat. The key thing is that you get the roots of the hair where the DNA is. And on the right-hand side, you'll see an example of a tissue vial, which is taken an ear notch using an ear tag test. Once you've taken those samples, you please return them in the sample bag provided for the attention of the genomics and DNA team in Holstein, UK. An overview of the genomic testing process, which takes approximately 6 to 8 weeks, from the farmer taking the DNA sample and then sending it into Holstein UK CIS, who then record details of the animal and the sample in the database. The sample is then sent on to the lab, who do the genotyping to discover the DNA code. They then send a genotype file to SRUC. SRUC are the contractors of AHDB for the UK monthly genomic evaluations. They then send the results back to Holstein UK CIS and the farmer is then able to interrogate them. It's important to note that at the lab stage, a small percentage can fail at that stage, and the farmer will be notified. And this highlights the importance of taking the sample correctly to minimize these failures. There is also a parentage check, which happens prior to the genomic evaluations. And again, at that stage, if one of the parents of the animals is discovered to be incorrect, the farmer will be notified of any conflicts, and indeed any discovered parents through genomic testing. There'll be an opportunity to change the parentage if need be at that stage. So that was choosing and ordering your genomic test. If you have any queries, please contact the CIS using the resources shown in this screen.